Headache English. Celebration.
Today, we are going to learn 1. List of confusing words with meanings. 2. Sentence samples. 3. Quiz. 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Altogether versus altogether. Ancient versus antique. Cash versus cash. Eatable versus edible. Poor versus poor.
Altogether versus altogether. Altogether. Everyone and everything together or all at once. Altogether. Adverb. Entirely, completely or totally.
Examples. All together. The last time we were all together was back in summer. All together. Andre put the ingredients all together.
Let us use the words together. All together, they went to the shore to hang around. After a while, they burst out of their frustrations altogether.
Ancient versus antique. Ancient. Adjective of a long time ago, dating back at least 1,400 to 150 years. Antique. Adjective belonging to an ancient time or collectible items having high value because of their old age.
Examples. Ancient. Last month, we visited an ancient temple in Turkey. Antique. We have antique items in our attic.
Let us use the words together. The antique clock that we have was produced in ancient times.
Cash versus cash. Cash. Noun. A hidden or secure place of storage. Cash. Noun. Money in coins or paper bills.
Examples. Cache. I'm going to clear my web browser cache. Cache. The restaurant only accepts cash.
Let us use the words together. Orion hid her cash in a cache.
Eatable versus edible. Eatable. Adjective safe or fit to be consumed with agreeable taste. Edible. Safe or fit to be eaten but doesn't necessarily have a good taste or be enjoyed.
Examples. Eatable. The overcooked pasta is still eatable. Edible. People that traverse the jungle are well versed in identifying edible foods.
Let us use the words together. We must be able to distinguish between eatable and edible foods.
Poor versus poor. Poor. Noun. Small opening or hole. Pour. Verb. To flow or gush rapidly.
Examples. Pour. After exercising, I believe all of my sweat was expelled from my pores. Pour. He poured wine on my glass.
Let us use the words together. I need to replenish my body's liquids by pouring water into my glass, as I believe all of my sweat is now coming out of my pores.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe and share this video.
Let us check your knowledge. Directions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. They design the stage for blank. Number 2. It is sometimes hard to avoid problems blank. Number 3. We will fix the problems blank.
Letter A. All together. Letter B. All together.
The correct answers are Number 2. Letter B. It is sometimes hard to avoid problems altogether. Number 3. Letter A. We will fix the problems altogether.
Number 4. The blank temple is being visited by many tourists. Number 5. Blank furniture is undoubtedly expensive. Number 6. They sold modern blank at the bazaar.
Letter A. Ancient. Letter B. Antique.
The correct answers are Number 4. Letter A. The ancient temple is being visited by many tourists. Number 5. Letter B. Antique furniture is undoubtedly expensive.
Number 7. She swiped her blank when paying. Number 8. We need to prepare blank, the restaurant is not accepting cards. Number 9. A blank of weapons was discovered in the room by police.
Letter A. Cash. Letter B. Cash.
The correct answers are Number 8. Letter B. We need to prepare cash. The restaurant is not accepting cards. Number 9. Letter A. A cache of weapons was discovered in the room by police.
Number 10. They going to blank out on Saturday. Number 11. The kids' food cools to an blank temperature. Number 12. They found blank fruits and plants in the jungle for survival.
Letter A. Eatable. Letter B. Edible.
The correct answers are Number 11. Letter B. The kids' food cools to an edible temperature. Number 12. Letter A. They found edible fruits and plants in the jungle for survival.
Number 13. They were being deprived of education because they were blank. Number 14. To be successful, you need to blank all your efforts and time into this project. Number 15. Her blank are visible to the naked eye.
Letter A. Poor. Letter B. Poor.
The correct answers are Number 14. Letter B. To be successful, you need to pour all your efforts and time into this project. Number 15. Letter A. Her pores are visible to the naked eye.
Let us see how the engineers are going to use the words we discussed during their celebration.
Let me pour our drink, and we'll raise our glasses all together.
Taken all together, this project was successful. Let's toast to our success.
I like how this restaurant preserved the antique furniture from ancient times. It complements the whole place.
I heard the owner has a cache of old items in Bali. Maybe they imported these things here.
That's correct. It's also beneficial that they have separate rooms for children or teenagers who wish to visit this place.
They also have various choices of eatable food. Of course, for those who want to try something new, they have edible food imported from different countries.
In terms of payment, they accept both cards and cash.
After a few moments.
Oh, I believe I should now stop drinking and begin eating. I'm not a big drinker. I'm worried that all of my sweat will leak out of my pores afterwards.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.